See, I told you he likes me. Can you see him? Oh, I have this camera on backward. How do I? Yeah. Look at my big boy. All ready to see the big wide world. My hands are shaking. I'm sorry, boy. Yeah. Keeps his mouth open a lot. Oh. I'm gonna miss you so much. A mother of 4 dogs, and now I'm a mother of a bird, too. I feel like I've just graduated Disney princess school. This is crazy. I've always dreamed that something like this would happen, but I never thought it would actually happen. Wow, just wow is all I can say. You want to say something? You want to say hi to YouTube? Say, look me, I'm almost all grown up. Just need a few more feathers around my face and I'll look just like Mommy and Daddy. It's very soft. See, I can't tell if the camera's getting him because the sun is shining so bright right now that I can't see anything on my screen. Yeah, it is getting him. Oh, my sweet baby boy. Not quite a baby anymore. Mm. I love you. I love you so much, and I'm gonna miss you. I go back home on Friday. Today is Wednesday. So by the time I visit again, he'll probably be long gone. Even Chad will probably be grown up and gone. I'll never forget you, my sweet little bird. That's him saying, "Hi, YouTube. You want to fly for them? You want to try flying? Want to show off those big, beautiful wings?" You ready? Well, you don't have to. You can stay there. I think he's getting ready to fly. Then again, I keep thinking he's about to fly, and then he doesn't. Wow. I should also point out I don't actually know if he's a boy or a girl. Maybe some bird expert watching can tell me if Big Boy is actually a big boy or if he's a big girl. And that is where they have been nesting for a while now. I think that's his parents calling him. You want to go say hi to Mommy and Daddy? You just want to sit there. You just want to sit there and look cute. Also, we're having trouble figuring out what kind of bird he is. I thought he was a sparrow. Manana thinks that he's a wren. So again, any bird experts watching, maybe let me know. And I kind of want to just keep filming until he decides to leave, but I don't think that's going to be anytime soon. He seems very comfortable here. I'm really bad at filming, especially with one hand, so I apologize for that. Well, I guess we'll go. I'm gonna put this video on pause, actually. Just see if, I'll come back if he starts to flap his wings again. Is there a glare on? Again, the sun is shining so bright. Oh, that's my finger. Oops. Hopefully in a few years I'll be much better at recording stuff. And